Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. This is Gail Hartfield, Senior Meteorologist at the National Weather Service in Raleigh for your routine Thursday weekly briefing covering January 26th today through February 1st. So let's get started. So looking at first at the nice pretty satellite image that I got here about an hour ago. Just going to see some pretty clear skies across most of our area. We do have a few little clouds that are sneaking over the higher terrain into our northwest sections, and some high clouds streaking across the southeast and eastern North Carolina. So just a little eye candy for y'all this morning. Just a little pretty picture. So nice to see the sunshine out there today after yesterday's rain. And speaking of yesterday's rain, here is a little map of our recent rainfall for the last couple of days across the area. Most places got around a quarter inch to an inch. Few spots got more than that. We have one, I think the big winner was in Sampson County, 2.54 inches. So by and large, everyone got some rain, so that's kind of nice. We like the nice soaking rains, so helps to replenish our groundwater supply. So that was kind of nice, and it helps our drought conditions. This is the latest drought update from our friends down at the State Climate Office, and who put this graphic together. And it's a little low resolution. Sorry about that. But anyway, you can kind of see there that the drought conditions are persisting in the east. Look, they've improved some over last week's, and abnormally dry conditions to drought conditions persist in the east, but this does not include yesterday's rainfall. So hopefully that will improve conditions some, and our next drought update hopefully will have a reduction in our drought area. So look forward to that. Okay, looking at the actual forecast coming up. Today we've got just a few clouds out there, as you saw, a little bit of a breeze, but in general dry and seasonable conditions today, as temperatures are going to be sitting pretty close to their seasonal normals for this time of year. We do have that high pressure area over the southern plains that will be building in and over the area over the next couple of days. So you see that in the top right. Saturday's forecast map shows a nice big bubble of high pressure over the southeast. So that will keep our conditions dry and yeah, no precipitation and very few clouds over the next couple of days here. We will see some, so our fairly normal temperatures today are going to be dipping further tomorrow. So kind of chilly tomorrow to end the work week. And then Saturday should be getting warmer with highs back up into the 50s everywhere. So that will be kind of nice to start the weekend. Looking at the latter half of the weekend, though, we do have a frontal system moving in, and that will bring a very good chance of rain. And that looks like it's going to be late Sunday through Sunday night, may leach into Monday in eastern sections, but by and large, mild and dry conditions will be expected on Monday. So we'll have like one dry day there to start the work week of next week. But rain chances do return Tuesday and again late Wednesday. You can see in the bottom right there, that front you see coming in, that's going to kind of lay down and just kind of waver back and forth over the area. So we're going to get into a little bit of an active pattern here. We have rain chances again on Tuesday, and then looking like late Wednesday is our next shot at rain. So. Fortunately, severe weather is not expected for the next several days, so that is good news. Our accumulated precipitation forecast for the next week here, as you see there, today, Friday, Saturday, dry weather expected, and then we have our next system coming in for Sunday night into Sunday, yes, late Sunday into Sunday night, and then again midweek, and we could see anywhere from 0.5 to 1.5 inches of rain. Not a real heavy rain threat for our area. It's looking like further to the west that may be a little different, so they may see a little bit better rain chances there in the lower Mississippi Valley as that system moves in Saturday into that area, the one that's going to affect us on Sunday night. So. Here is our 6 to 10 day outlook, courtesy of the Climate Prediction Center. And we do have a good chance of above normal temperatures and fairly modest chance of above normal precipitation. It's nothing too crazy, but those are the latest indications here for that 6 to 10 day period. And then as we get into 8 to 14 day outlook, so we're looking into next week, it is looking like we have a little bit of a change in store for us, looking like a chance for above normal temperatures there in the coastal southeast. But as you look to the north and west there, we have some colder temperature probabilities moving into areas north and west of us, and that leaves us in a pretty good shot of just average temperatures, fairly normal, nothing extreme. And precipitation outlook looks like that'll be a little bit damp as well. And you can see the normal high and low there at the bottom for kind of the middle of that period, February 5th. Temperatures are on the upswing. We have passed our, climatologically speaking, coldest part of the winter. So that was in like mid-January. So now we are seeing our normal highs and lows starting to tick back up again. So coming out of the cold doldrums of the winter. So we were looking at our kind of longer term outlook. I'll just verbally say this: beyond the 14-day period, looks like we are going to start turning a little bit colder. So you have that to look out for. Winter is not over yet, so we'll keep our eye out on that. So again, here's the summary for today through the middle of next week. Again, few clouds today, a little breezy, but otherwise just dry and seasonable. Dry conditions continuing through Saturday as high pressure builds overhead. Friday will be chillier, warmer conditions Saturday and Sunday though. And then rain will move in for late Sunday through Sunday night, again, perhaps leaching into Monday morning in the far east sections of our area. In general, though, fairly mild conditions on Monday, so behind the system, not any cold air immediately. But rain chances then do return for Tuesday, and again, looks like late Wednesday as we get into a little more of an active weather pattern. So no significant hazards are noted over the next 7 days, and you can see our little forecast there for the Raleigh area through Monday, so nothing too extreme. So that's all I have for today. Hope you all have a wonderful end of the week and weekend, and we'll talk to you next time.